Hello friends, welcome to AQIS YouTube channel. This session is a part of our quick revision series Prelims Atulya. In today's session, we'll discuss some significant topics which have been in the news in the recent times. Actually, we are continuing our last session. In the last session, we discussed some important topics which have been in the news. And in today's session as well, we have picked some topics which were in the news. So this session is going to be extremely important for your upcoming prelims. So let's get started. Let's try to analyze some important topics. First, let's talk about snow leopard. So friends, why are we talking about snow leopard today? Well, the reason is India's first snow leopard conservation center, it will be established in Uttarakhand. Now you have to remember that this particular project, it will be built by the support of UNDP. Okay, so this center will be built with the support, with the funding of United Nations Development Program. Now in the prelims there might be a question that this particular project, it will be funded by World Bank. So here you will have to memorize that this will be funded by United Nations Development Program. Now one more important fact that you must know is that this project, it is a part of Secure Himalayas project. Now Secure Himalayas project is also important. Remember, this was launched in 2017. I'm talking about Secure Himalayas. This was launched in 2017. And why was it launched? It was launched to protect snow leopard and other endangered species. So here is the catch, that it focuses on other endangered species in Himalayan region, not only snow leopard but other species also. Now under this particular project, the community participation is going to be the key. Okay, so local community, they will be considered for the participation. Their support will be sought under this particular project. Now as far as threats are concerned, poaching, habitat destruction, these are threats to snow leopard. Now let's talk about conservation status of snow leopard. Well, the IUCN status of snow leopard is vulnerable, and remember, it is a scheduled first animal under Wildlife Protection Act of India. Now let's talk about Asiatic lions. See, these Asiatic lions, these are found only in Gir National Park. But the plan was to translocate these lions to Madhya Pradesh in Kuno Wildlife Sanctuary. But it has not happened yet. Why? Because the government of Gujarat, they are not in favor of transporting these lions. They are protesting, they are resisting this particular move. So that's why this issue was in news. Now the IUCN status is endangered, and one fact that you must know is that Asiatic lions are slightly smaller than African lions, and the status of African lions, it is vulnerable. Okay, so just remember these facts. Now let's talk about African cheetah reintroduction program. See, African cheetah, these were declared extinct in India in 1952. So the plan was to reintroduce African cheetah. So in 2010, central government expert panel recommended some sites for reintroducing cheetah, and Kuno Palpur was the preferred location. However, in 2013, Supreme Court rejected this idea for introducing African cheetah to Madhya Pradesh. Why? Because we were planning to introduce Asiatic lions also to Madhya Pradesh. So there could have been a conflict with a parallel project. That's why this idea was rejected by the Supreme Court. Now we must know the IUCN status because that's important for your upcoming prelims. Remember, African cheetah, the status is vulnerable. Asiatic cheetah, critically endangered. And as far as the strength is concerned, remember, Asiatic cheetah is much stronger and faster than African cheetah. Now let's talk about Great Indian Bustard. See, this topic, it was in news many a time, so that's why it is very, very important and can be asked in your prelims. Remember, the IUCN status of Great Indian Bustard, it is critically endangered. So we read in the newspaper that so many Great Indian bustards, they died because of collision to power lines, transmission lines. In fact, Supreme Court recommended ways to protect Great Indian bustards. So that's why it remained in the news for a long period of time, and it is very, very important and can be asked in prelims. Remember, the IUCN status is critically endangered, and I have provided some more details regarding Great Indian Bustard. Okay, so all these facts I wanted to cover in today's session. If you have found it useful, you can like the video, you can subscribe our YouTube channel, and you can follow our social media platform for daily current affairs content. We provide daily current affairs on our various social media platforms. And friends, prelims is very, very near. It is just around the corner, so just keep working hard. This is a vital, crucial time for all of you. And so that's all. I'll see you in the next video soon. Bye bye. Take care.